Welcome to a new video, Healthy Habits. Get up early in the morning, brush your teeth twice a day, avoid to be negative. Reading books regularly expand the knowledge. Being polite and respectful. New places. Read and write more. Become a better listener. Build a strong connection with others. Make new friends. Improve your ability to resolve conflicts. Build professional relationship. Spend time in nature. Plan the next day. Do something for yourself which you enjoy. Get some fresh air, even it's just 5 minutes. Don't stay all night up. Don't eat white sugar. Spend some quality time with your kids. Check the posts and emails and deal with them. Chat and spend time with your partner. Check your calendar for tomorrow. Do dishes after every meal. Live on a budget. Put 10% of money aside every month. Stop working after 8 pm. Grow plants. Lower sugar intake. Eat 5 fruits and vegetables every day. Don't watch TV while eating. Don't be afraid of failing. Be proactive. Take initiative. Manage your emotions. Challenge yourself and get out of your comfort zone. Learn from your failure. Listen more than you speak. Laugh and smile freely. Cook at home. Build up your confidence. Read, watch, or listen to something inspiring each day. Reward and celebrate your success as you go. Follow good routine and up-level your life. Thanks for watching the video.